Hi, this is Val with Yarnimals by Val, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic circle or magic ring. We will start off with your non-dominant hand, and you want to hold it sideways. We're going to start working with our two middle fingers, our middle finger and our ring finger. So if you can lift your pointer finger and lower your pinky finger a little bit, that will help. You'll start with the yarn end in your dominant hand, and you will put that close to the bottom knuckle of your ring finger, and then gently hold that with your thumb. We're going to cross the yarn over our middle finger about at the top joint, and then bring it behind those two fingers. Then we will bring it back up, and we want to cross over the other way to kind of make an X shape. And we'll go all the way up over our pointer finger to form that X. Bring it down behind all three fingers, and then we'll bring the yarn to meet up underneath our thumb. So you'll be holding both of those pieces there under your thumb lightly. Let's do that step one more time so you can see how to make the X. So we start off with our hand sideways, lift pointer finger, lower pinky finger, put our yarn end in, hold it gently around that bottom joint of our ring finger, cross over the top joint of the middle finger, then down behind both, and then cross over to form that X shape. Go over your pointer finger at that bottom joint. Bring the string down behind and meet up underneath that thumb with both of the pieces. Now we're ready for our hook. So our hook is going to come in from the side, and it's first going to go underneath the strand on the right. So we've got it underneath that strand. You're gonna want to keep your yarn or string nice and loose so that you can pull the string when we need to do that. So once we've got this underneath, then we're going to go on top of the left strand. Then turn your hook over so that you grab the yarn and pull it underneath that right strand. And then turn the hook as you pull it around so that you have a loop. Let's do that step one more time. I'll release that, and we're back to our X shape. So we start by going underneath the right strand and then over the left strand. Turn your hook to grab the left strand, bring it underneath the right strand, and turn your hook to create that loop. Now we only have one step left. You can see the strand that we have left up here resting over our pointer finger, and we want to grab that strand with the hook, then turn your hook and pull it through the loop that we made, just like that. And there you have your magic circle or magic ring. I'll show you that last step one more time here. So we get back to our X shape, and we go under the right strand, over the left strand, pull it up into a loop, and then we grab this strand and pull it through our loop. And there you have your magic ring or magic circle.